The following chart shows how well project-based learning and metacognition fit together and reach the same goals within our students. Students think through how to approach a difficult task. This is step 1, 2, and 3 in project-based learning and step 1 in metacognition. Students choose a strategy. That's in step 4, 5, and 6 of project-based learning and step 2 of metacognition. And finally, students learn from mistakes. That's step 3 of project-based learning and step 3 of metacognition. The research shows that these two work really well together. Some studies use project-based learning to increase metacognition skills, and other studies have approached it as using metacognition to reach better performance in a project-based learning environment. Either way you approach it, they work well together in building student skills.